Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I want to show you the steering shaft in this 3rd gen Camaro that I have. So this is a Jeep shaft that I've put in here. It seems to fit perfect. All the joints are clocked properly on this. Now they say they are exact fit, but I did end up cutting it about an inch just to make it the right length. But otherwise it fits perfect. There's no issues. I think it's going to work great. Definitely eliminates the original GM shaft that had the rag joint. These are known to get kind of sloppy. These boots kind of go bad on them also, and you can't get those. Sometimes they're kind of hard to get. Of course, this is the exact one that came off of this car. This is the one that came off of this car. So it eliminates, so by putting that Jeep shaft on, it does eliminate the complete shaft. This is just a cover over it, obviously. This is the joint towards the firewall, and the other joint is here, which is a rag joint. And these are known to go bad on both ends. So the Jeep shaft is much better fit. It should eliminate the sloppiness in the steering in this also. I'll leave a link in the description if that's what you're looking to do. These things should even fit the S10s and many GMs. GM used those the rag joint type of a shaft on many different vehicles. So this would be a almost direct replacement for these. Okay, thank you for watching.